Every day, every person choose a profession, job, the work of his whole life. Doctor, teacher, taxi driver, journalist, engineer, fashion model. But this story about my profession, about my choice.
Who are you?
I'm an English teacher.
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 Can't bribe the door on your way to the sky. You look pretty good down here, but you ain't really good. We never learned, we've been here before. Why are we always stuck in running from the bullets? The bullets. We never learned, we've been here before. Why are we always stuck in running from your
We are graduated.
a bullet? Just stop your crying, it's a sign of the times. Gotta get away.
I am an English teacher and
English teachers are always needed, whether in schools, language centers, or online, offering lots of chance for career growth.
The second, making a difference. For example, teaching English opens up a new opportunity for students and also helping them grow and connect with the world. And also, it's a job where you can see your impact on others' lives.
And third, teaching allows you to be creative, from design engaging lessons to incorporating new technologies and teaching methods that keep students motivated.
Many English teachers can choose to work in a school, language programs, online, or do private lessons, giving them a flexible schedule and location.
personal growth. Teaching people of all ages improves communication, adaptability, and patience. Plus, it also helps you to improve your own language skills.
Selam.
Salam.
Selam.
Salam.
Selam.
Salam.
Саламатсызбы?
Саламатсыз.
Hello, I have a question for you. Do you think that the profession of English teacher is important for you? Yes, I think so. Why? International relationship, it also allows you to go abroad.
Мансаптық мүмкіндіктерді жақсартады.
That's all? Yes. Thank you. Hello, I have a question for you. Do you think that the profession of English teacher is important for you? Yes, I think it's important. Why? Because I'm a sportsman. And if I'm going to be a champion in the future, I need that language when I need to give an interview. Hello, I have a question for you. Do you think that the profession of English teacher is important for you? No, because the English language is not popular in Kazakhstan. First of all, every Kazakh should know his own language. Hello, I have a question for you. Do you think that the profession of English teacher is important for you? Yes, of course. Why do you think so? It opens the way to travel in other countries, and it's very good.
I'm so tired of playing